Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. For today, let's make a quick and simple roast beef sandwich. Starting off with the sauce, we'll mix a tablespoon of mayo, tablespoon of yellow mustard, a teaspoon of barbecue, and half a teaspoon of celery salt and mix them well. Then, we'll generously spread on both sides of our bread slices. On one side of the bread, we'll put our sharp cheddar cheese slices, or the cheese of your choosing, and then we'll double up on our roast beef slices that we bought from the deli. Those were seasoned with black peppercorn on the outside, and we like those, but feel free to choose whichever roast beef cut you like. And on the other side of the bread, we'll put hamburger pickle slices, and make sure to put a bit of the sauce in between the layers when applying the lettuce, just so that everything sticks together in there and doesn't fall out of the sandwich. Make sure to cut your bread with a bread knife or a serrated knife so it cuts nicely and smoothly into the sandwich. Stick a skewer in the sandwiches to hold them up and plate, and that's it. Enjoy your sandwich and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!